Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1703rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. How are you, traders? Remember that futures trading is extremely risky. Always place stops and always trade with your wallet, not above it. Traders, for trading on Wednesday, 12/06/17, we have reversed to a red Omni. Daily E-mini S&P bar goes red, Omni goes red, and luckily for trading on Tuesday, we had a green Omni to start off. The market actually went to our buy level, took off to the highs, came back down. We were out of the trade. In fact, we never got filled, so we had no trade yesterday. We did sell gold on Tuesday, and it rocked. It gave us a great trade. Thank you, Omni. So yesterday was just a gold trade. It did well. For Wednesday, red Omni, E-mini S&P. It looks like the market's going to drop a little. Now, I am not talking about any crash. I'm not talking about anything more than this. What do you see here? Top to bottom. Top, rides a little bit to bottom. Top, rides a little bit. What's expected next? Likely is a little race to the bottom. Maybe not all the way. You do not get a lot of pullback weeks like this one here. But, you know, after hitting the top, you do tend to pull back a little bit. We've hit the top. Omni has turned red. Pullback is expected at least for some portion of the day on Wednesday. We will be very nimble to exit this trade. E-mini S&P daily on Wednesday. Then you've got your NASDAQ. Look at this bad boy. This is a weekly chart, not a daily. It looks like it'll pull back somewhat, maybe to where the blue and white lines meet. Maybe, maybe not. Lines are not magic. Just gauges of where we could or might get to. But, you know, it looks like you could fall back a little bit here. You're in the 63.75, 62.75 area. Maybe you can drop down as low as something like 61.50, 6100. I don't know, something in there. Maybe not. We do not get a lot of pullbacks. But daily, NASDAQ is bearish for the day. Wednesday, we will be selling rallies in both NASDAQ and E-mini S&P. Come join me each day in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. It costs you nothing to get in. It's very easy to get in. Not a lot of information required. And you are in a live trading room where I am at the helm. Come join me every day. Remember, futures trading is risky. And always keep your emotions out of the markets. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, I'll type it right out for you, is try to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Yeah, let's type it first. So we'll make it red. We'll do the whole thing nice and pretty the way it's supposed to be, and then we'll sing our little song. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.